Hi, everybody. This is Tamika, and as always, thank you for traveling with Tamika. I just wanted to follow up on a video I did about two videos ago, saying that I was going to inquire about life insurance. Followed up with a video with Miss Virtuous Edwards. She gave some good information regarding different types of policies and different insurance that was available. Um, and as a couple videos ago, I said I was going to get it. Just wanted to update everybody and let everybody know I did get it. What is it? Whole life and a term life. Yes. And it was very, very affordable. A lot of people had actually inboxed me privately and asked that to let them know or let everybody know how the process went after I actually signed up. So I'm just letting everybody know that the process went very, very smooth. It was very minimal health questions. I know there was two routes to go. I could have done the policy where I had to go to the doctor, but then you could do like an express one, which is the one I did. It cost a little bit more, not that much more, but a little bit more. And I think they just go in and do like a soft pull of your like medical history, I guess through your health insurance company or your social security number or whatever. They can actually pull your records or whatever um, to kind of get an overall snapshot of your health. And for those who qualify for that, you can do that without actually going to the doctor to take those urinalysis and all that good stuff. And so I was able to qualify for the standard coverage. I didn't have to go to do my to do a physical exam or whatever. Although they do say if you go take the exam and do all that good stuff, you will probably get a lower rate. But then again, you got to go through that, and I'm like, what happens if I go and they classify me a higher rating rather? I just said, let me try out this express thing, and if it doesn't work, if I don't get the rating that I want, then I was gonna try the one by going through the doctor. But everything went well, and the good thing about it is, as Miss Edwards told me, it started immediately as soon as they took that money out of my account. It took about I think I did it on a Friday and maybe that Wednesday of that next week or something like that. The policy went through because of course it's like a whole process. It's kind of like getting approved for like a loan, a house loan, where you have a couple of days to review some things, go to underwriting and all that. So that was the great thing. I was able to get it, and now I'm insured. If something happened to me, my loved ones are gonna have enough money to bury me and to pay off some of my bills, all my bills. So I just wanted to update everybody and let you know it was a painless process. And I wanted to personally thank Miss Virtuous Edwards, for taking the time out and answer all of my questions. I had a lot. She could tell you I did, but because I wanted to be an informed purchaser or buyer, didn't want to just get it impulsively. I wanted to get it, understand what I was getting, why I was getting it, and that way I could also share with everybody else the process and for what I learned from the experience. So again, please contact her. All her contact information is in a previous video. She is an open book, very professional lady, and very confidential. So in regarding your health, any health concerns or health issues you may have, because that's used all in your rating as well, for your insurance policy. But all right, I won't hold you long, but I did get two policies. Please give her a call, and not for me, for you and for your family, and to be a real mature person. If you can afford it, then you should probably do it. And lastly, before I get off, if we get this stimulus check, which some people will be getting it. If you get a stimulus check, why not, if we weren't going to get the money anyway, why not take that money and invest it in a life insurance policy? That $1,200 or whatever amount of money that you're going to get is not going to cost you that much money for the next 2 years for your policy, depending on how much, your insurance policy you get. But you could actually take that check and apply it to a life insurance policy. One, it's money you didn't even ever see. You weren't going to get. You didn't work for it. And why not invest it? So that's like probably the best investment you could do. Everybody's talking about, oh, it's going to be a recession and all that. Well, this will, if you happen to get this check and you don't have life insurance, it will be in your best interest to take that money, even if it's not all of it, half of it, and apply it to a life insurance policy. It was money that wasn't yours in the first place. Might as well do something productive with it, and your family will appreciate it too. In the event you get, unfortunately, your life gets lost as a tragedy with this crazy, as I like to call it, a wicked virus that's going on right now. I'm just as much at risk as anybody else, and I know I'm not above this virus, so I really wanted to make sure my family knew that I was being responsible, since I go on trips and I do all kinds of crazy stuff. But I think my family will respect me more when they know that I'm being responsible. And then if in the event, or when I expire, when I do pass away, that's one less thing they have to worry about for me, is, let them grieve without having to worry about grieving and then trying to figure out how to pay for my stuff. That's just a double whammy. So anyway, I'm finished with my rant today. Beautiful day outside. You go into your backyard or something like that, but stay away from people if you don't have to be around people. Some of us have to be around people. But those who don't, use it as an opportunity to be around your family, friends, loved ones, or whomever your close circle is, and cook together, clean together, watch movies together, stuff that life just keeps going every single day. And we take these things for granted. Now God has put us in a situation, or in the situation where things are coming back in full circle, how things should have been. We should have been spending more time for our family. Should have been working with the kids doing homework. Don't get me preaching, but this is an opportunity. Seize the moment, and this too shall pass. So with that being said, please get your life insurance policies, and then we can travel together. Once this virus slows down, we can plan a trip together. And then we'll try to keep our eye out on a nice flight deal. I'm sure they'll be coming up real soon. And we can take a trip together after this virus and after you purchase your life insurance policies. Okay? All right. Like, share, subscribe. And once again, thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.